Have you been struggling to raise your own seedling? Have you been wanting to raise your own cabbage seedling? Because these are good business. For those who may not be interested in farming, you can be a seed propagator. Or for farmers who want to save the cost of buying seedlings, this is a class for you. So today I want to take you through step by step how I usually propagate or raise my own cabbage seedlings, and it's very simple. In fact, it's the simplest of the simplest activities at the farm. What you need to have to know, things you need to have is one, you need to have the seeds, the variety of your choice, depending by what you want to sow. In my case, I'm doing a short period variety taking around 60 days, one of the best that I usually like farming. Although the head is not that big, but I like it because of the period at which it takes to maturity. That is what I'm saying. So if you want to raise your own seedlings, one thing you need to do is prepare your bed. Make sure you have a ready nursery bed, and if possible, a raised nursery beds for those who are in cold areas, and a sunken nursery bed for those who are in hot areas, or a raised bed for those who are using overhead irrigation, that is sprinkler irrigation or the watering can, and also the drip irrigation. And those who are using furrow irrigation, you do a sunken bed. So those are the two nurseries that you need to prepare. For me, I've prepared the raised bed because I've changed my way of the nurseries. I'm using the drip irrigation and it's working perfectly for me. I hope you prepare by the way to visit my farm so that you can be able to learn more about farming. This is the number that you reach out to me and also book for farm visit, because you need to book so that you'll find me, and because I'm not always at the farm, though my farm manager is present. So you prepared your nursery and you have your seeds with you. One thing you need to do after the bed is done is preparing the sowing drills. The sowing drills are these tunnels that we prepare so that we can sow our seeds. And it's very easy to prepare. You can use a stick, you can use your hand, like I've been showing you how to use the hand, and also as long as you prepare a good tunnel. And also the way of preparation using a hand or a stick depends with the type of irrigation you are using. For me, like I told you, I'm using drip irrigation. I've already installed the drip irrigation for that work. So you make the drills as simple as that, very simple, without much struggle. Then after that, after you made the drills, that way now you come to sow your seeds. But there is something I also want you to know. In the drills, you can see my drills are spaced. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in 3 drip lines. This is because of the spacing from one drill to the other is 20 centimeters. From this drill to this, it's 20 centimeters. From here to here, it's 20 centimeters. So you need to space your drills very well so that now you can be a good farmer. And after that, there is nothing that is going to stop you from farm success, or to be a successful seed propagator, or to be a successful cabbage raiser for your farm. It saves a lot of money. A lot of money. Buying one seedling is not a joke. So from there, you take your seeds, like you see, these are my seeds, my cabbage seeds. You take your seeds, and I don't like when holding a lot of seeds. I prefer holding small amount of seeds and start dropping your seeds. And the spacing here, because now we have not mechanized, you should see each and every seed where it's falling. You should see where each and every seed is falling. So as simple as that. Make sure you see where each and every seed is falling. Drop seeds continuously, slowly, don't be in a hurry, and see each and every seed where it's falling. As simple as that. You repeat to the next line, drop each and every seed, drop each and every seed, drop each and every seed. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So that's how now we sow our seeds, as simple as that. From here, we cover the seeds slowly by slowly, lightly. Make sure you cover them lightly. Don't cover it with a lot of soil. Make sure it's well covered, lightly covered. And the finishing point is watering. And watering is simple. Just opening my tabs and making sure all the seeds are watered. Very simple, very enjoyable, very therapeutic. You save a lot of money or you make a lot of money as a seed raiser or as a seed propagator. Hope you've learned something from our today's session. For more information about farming, be it cabbage, be it onions, be it watermelon, go to my YouTube channel at Farm with Fred. That's where all the information is, and learn. Also, don't forget to follow this page so that you can be updated in everything that we do or I do in this farm. For more information, reach out to me through this number so that we can continue learning together. Bye.